We made our house out of the idea of like a boxcar.
So they're learning about scale modeling. They're learning how to make a realistic model. How big should a house be? How to put that into a scale, because obviously they're not going to build a realistic house.
You get to see how you can use math in a real life situation instead of just doing worksheets in a classroom.
I feel very fortunate to be at Roosevelt, where I do have the space.
I like this a lot more. Like, I already like math, but this is just kind of more interactive and more fun than just filling out worksheets.
Well, we get more hands-on activity to what we're learning, and we're able to like build stuff instead of just like being in the classroom writing problems all day.
Especially with like the 21st century skills and problem solving, this is hands-on. Students are so used to, being lectured and then doing a worksheet and then doing homework, and I like to do geometry more hands-on. Yes, I have to sometimes lecture, but I feel like students are learning a lot more.
Yeah, this is our house.
I like to have stuff like hands-on so you can be still learning math but building at the same time.
So what we might do is design it this year and fundraise, and then build it next year. And the group that mentioned this, they really want to donate it to someone in the St. John's community.